if I would like to upload an artwork to my campaign, all I need to do is navigate to my campaigns, select the campaign that I want to upload my artworks to. In this instance, I want to upload artworks to Sherry. I'm going to click on Manage. That'll take me into my campaign dashboard. I navigate to Artworks, scroll down, and I know that I need 1400 by 400 pixels. That's the size of the artwork that I need. I click on the plus button. I can pick the artwork from the gallery if I already have it in my gallery. If I click on the gallery, and all the artworks that match that size gets displayed here. I can click on one of the artworks that I want to load, save and close, and that should load the artwork to my campaign. And if I need to add an artwork from my computer, I click on the plus button, click on new artworks, and either drag and drop it into this box or just click on the box. That'll open up the window on my computer. I can select the artwork that I need to load, open, save and close. It gives you a preview, save and close. And once you're happy with the selection and it's loaded, save and close again, and that will load the artwork to your campaign. Now, if you don't see your artwork in this box here, which means you have loaded the incorrect artwork or there is something wrong with the artwork.